Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace windshield trim on a Ford Explorer. First, gather your essential tools: a plastic trim removal tool, a clean cloth, and your new trim. Make sure the new trim is the correct part for your Explorer. Always work on a level surface to ensure stability and safety throughout the process. This preparation step is crucial for a smooth and successful replacement. Now, let's remove the old trim. Begin by gently inserting your plastic trim removal tool under the edge. Work slowly and carefully, prying the trim upwards along its entire length. Take your time to avoid scratching the paint or damaging the windshield. Once removed, thoroughly clean the channel to ensure no old adhesive or debris remains, preparing it for the new trim. With the channel clean, it's time to install the new trim. Carefully align the new piece with the windshield channel. Begin pressing it firmly into place, ensuring it seats securely along the edge. Work from one end to the other, applying consistent, even pressure. You should hear or feel it click into position, indicating a proper and tight fit. Finally, perform a thorough inspection of your newly installed trim. Check for any gaps or areas that aren't fully seated. Gently wipe down the trim with a soft, damp cloth to remove fingerprints and achieve a clean, finished look. For long-term care, consider applying a UV protectant to help maintain its appearance and extend its lifespan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.